Okay, so I'm a super visual person, and I find that showing people how to do something sometimes is a little easier than step-by-step instructions. So hopefully you'll find this helpful. So if you go to the Young Living website and you go up here to become a member, click on that, and you're going to say get started. Clearly you're there because you would like to get started. Now you have a choice. You have the popular premium starter kit, which is the regular starter kit that comes with the 12 oils, the Ningxia packets, hand sanitizer, the spray, and then you can pick which diffuser you'd like. There's also other premium kits. There's the Welcome Home starter kit, the Ningxia starter kit, the CBD starter kit, and the Thieves starter kit, as well as the extra strength CBD. And then we have a couple specialty kits and the basic kit, which is I think what you would like to do. So you would go to basic kit and you would click the button for basic starter kit. And then you're going to go down and you could join Essential Rewards. It's not required. Basically means that you join, you can earn 25% back, and you can use the points that accrue from different purchases to earn free product. So you can choose to join or not. For this purpose, we're going to say no, and we're going to go to add more product. And this takes you to the page with all of the different products that Young Living has. So for your purposes, you had requested an EndoFlex. So in order to find that, you can just type in EndoFlex, and you would go over to it and you would say add product. So for example, I already did it just to show you the purpose of it, but you click on the plus sign that would be here, say add product. And then you would come down here and you would see that you have the EndoFlex Essential Oil Blend and the basic starter kit. Okay. And then you go to check out. It will take you back to this page, which is where it gets kind of confusing, but you're going to want to scroll down to go to next. And this is where you type in your membership information. So your first and last name, your address, your phone number. If you'd like to receive email communication, what username, password, and PIN number you'd like to use. And then if you're thinking that you might consider this business or this order to build a business, you would pick one of the bubbles here. And then this is important. You want to click I was referred by a Young Living member, and my ID number is 12152314. And you want to put that number in both the sponsor ID and the enroller ID. And then you want to scroll down and you want to check this box, and then you want to go to continue, which will take you to the payment information. Make sure that you choose the kind of shipping that you'd like from the payment on the payment tab, and then the payment tab will be once you hit continue as well, and then you should be good to go. You should be able to place your order. If you run into any hiccups, let me know. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful, and go from there. Have a great night.